Habang nakakaya talaga, no TV or screen time sa morning. Sabay yung yung nag-resign sa team namin. Bawi-bawi talaga if ever kasi it's not worth it kapag nagkakasakit ka.
Welcome to our back channel.
Very nice the baby. Oh, just coloring. I bought this ata sa Toys R Us. Let's show them. Yan, yan siya. It's very nice. Ngayon kasi sobrang hilig nila sa sa dinosaurs. Wait lang. Mommy will show the front lang. Ay, it's okay. It's okay. Hold that. I'll show lang this one. Yan. It's a colorful dinosaurs. How much nga to? There's no more price na. Pero yan, may kasama na siyang colored pencils. Tapos ito, lahat siya dinosaurs. Ang cute. Love na love niya. Kanina pa siya nagsasabi, Mommy, I love it.
No, yes.
You'll finish that one?
One.
Okay. Papahinga si Mommy from lunch.
Mommy,
May gustong mukha ako. Wala na talaga lahat ng makeup.
It's okay.
Oh. It's okay.
Thank you, Mommy.
Oh, welcome, Pipi. Hindi na pa yung nagpapa-thank you because of that one. Enjoy siya talaga. Yun, usually kasi sa amin, habang nakakaya talaga, there's no TV or screen time sa morning. Kasi sinasanay namin si Kai Kai. So, usually, kapag pagising niya sa afternoon, doon na yung magsa-start yung mga screen time nila. We let them watch whatever they want. Controlled nga lang. Magsa-stop lang kami after an hour. Tapos, kung kailan na naman nila gusto again. Pero yun, hanggang nakakaya. Minsan, kapag sobrang bored talaga or walang activities, yun, pinagpapawatch naman kami. Pero yun lang, we're trying to control it. Nandito na lang naman kami sa bahay. So, kaya mahilig akong magbili ng mga ganyan ng mga activities for them. So, I'm very happy kasi yun nga kanina nung nagla-lunch ako, alam yan nila, kaya sa morning talaga wala, alam na nila na maghanap kung anong mag-entertain sa kanila. May get their own toys, yung mga toys nila, tapos mapapabayaan mo na sila. That's one thing na talagang super blessed kami with our kids. Pero going there, sobrang hirap din. Talagang super naging din kami ni Daddy, consistent, pinaghirapan namin yun, palagi mo nagagalit, there are many cranky moments, kasi syempre, hindi sila sanay, pero hanggang nasanay na lang sila. Then, kanina, kasi alam niya yan, na after lunch, pwede na siyang mag-watch si Pei. So, kanina nagsasabi na siya, she wants to watch, yung parang may bago kami nakita sa YouTube. So, sabi ako, Mommy is eating pa, so you need to wait. Tapos yun nga, nakalimutan ko na to, may ganito akong activity. Ang ganap siya siguro, kasi naghihintay pa siya sa akin. And now, nakalimutan niya na gusto niyang manood ng TV. I'm so happy. And me, I'm craving something. Nagpa-deliver ako. That's for Mommy? My order is here. Yeah. The same tree. Nag-crave ako nung cookie ng Starbucks. Yung chocolate macadamia nila. Yummy! Andiyan na siya. Favorite niya rin kasi to. Favorite ng mga anak ko. And what is that? You show it to them? No. Binilan siya ng daddy niya ng mga dinosaurs. Oh, sobrang happy niya. Wow! And
open ka, okay?
Okay.
Picture lang, okay?
Picture lang.
Yummy.
Saka, yung with pomegranate pearls. Ano nga yung drink yan? So, yung favorite yun namin dati. If hindi kami nagko-coffee, yan ang ino-order ko. Hibiscus pomegranate pearls. Yeah, I recommend. Masarap siya. You want to drink?
Yeah.
Really? Do you think you can drink this one?
Yeah. Yummy.
But we need the straw, I think lang. Mm. Ayan na. Dapat we need a straw, Daddy. Paper. Ako hindi. Pinapoy si Daddy mo. Mami na lang. Ayun, ayun. Nagbigay sila ng straw. Nakabinali ko yung straw. It has straw. Much better with straw. Kasi hindi na-mix yung sa baba. Oh.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Eat.
Mm-hmm.
Make it. Make.
Sobrang init na. Yan. Nag-set up na kami dito sa room. Ito yung palaging nangyayari sa amin. Ipakita ko sa inyo. We're here na sa room. Yan siya. On na ang aircon. Tapos kino-close namin lahat. You really need to close it. Pero okay naman. Kasi magiging madilim na siya. Yung buong room para maganda yung... Yan. Very chill na. Dito na rin si Daddy. Magsa-start na rin kasi yan ng work. And here's my work area. Ang gulo. I'm really sorry. Ito, hindi pa nagnanap, pero magti-take nap na to. Sobrang happy. So, me also need to get back to work. And pag nanap na to, may bed dyan. Work muna kami. Para mamaya makalabas kami ng maaga for our errands. Sobrang dami nang gagawin nga. A dinosaur. Hindi siya makapronounce. What? You say nga, Pepe? You say dinosaur. Jain. Yan yung dinosaur niya. Kay, behave ba? Kay.
Look, what's that sound? What's that sound? Tell me what's that.
You arrange it?
Yeah, but it's falling down.
And, okay, how about Pepe? Pepe doesn't have a baso?
Yeah, but I'm really hungry now.
Okay, we're preparing na. We'll put the rice na in the ano, okay? Wait lang.
Let's get baby guy they are eating now. Oh. No! Stop doing that because I'm going to. Let's do this.
Ubus na.
Daddy! Look, it's the Ovis Raptor.
Sige, taga panguha sila eggs?
Yes, Oviraptor.
I mean, that's really part of their, egg numbers.
Oviraptor. Oh no, what happened to that egg?
One herd had only a single baby.
Is that water?
Called him
It's little foot.
Nah, that's the
That's the
mama.
mama of little foot. It's working! Grabe. It's a fast. What happened? Sobrang madali namin ni Daddy kasi syempre for our situation right now na si Alvin na lang yung natira, yung sangyaya namin. We need to help her out para kung iwan namin yung mga bata na maglabas kami ni Daddy na dalawa lang kami, dapat parang pakaya niya na yung parang ready na silang lahat. They'll just stay there in the room lang sa baba hanggang sa pagbalik namin. So kanina yun, I cooked dinner, nagpakain na rin kami sa mga bata. Ansi kumakain na sila independently. Sila ni Ellie and Faye. So mas na talaga, mas naging independent sila, so naka-help talaga sa amin. And what else pa? So mas madali siya sa amin. Tapos kumain na rin kami ni Daddy para hindi na kami kakain sa labas. Kung if ever malate kami sa labas, para madami kasi kaming errands na gagawin. And also, napaliguan na sila. So, everybody's ready na talaga. So, later, magsisleep na lang yan. Set na lang namin sila to sleep pag uwi na namin. Whew! And me, I'm done with my work. Thank you, Lord, because there's no overtime. Ang ganda ngayon ng flow ng mga ng work namin. Pero yun lang nga, yung a lot happening sa work namin. And number one is, parang sabay yung yung nag-resign sa team namin. So talagang mapipila yung team. But I know we can get by. Kaya lang yan. Kasi yun nga, pinaprocess na kanina yung mga parang endorsement, transition, and even yung mga hi-hire na palit sa kanila, parang ganun. So we're looking forward. So it's much better. And si Mami din, I think I feel much better na rin. Yeah, that's it. I'm with my daddy. Our gwapo-gwapo daddy. We're going to Landers kasi nandun yung mga gusto kong bilhin na ibang mga meat. Magta-try kami if there's steak there. Later, magta-try ako cook. Then magsa-salmon kasi last time nag-cook ako ng baked salmon sushi. So, masarap siya. So, kuha kami ulit. Tapos, magta-try ako if may mga tuna or mga big fish. Mahilig kasi sila. Yun. Nung last, Blue Marlin. Yun ang binili namin. Tapos, meron kasi kaming fina-follow na parang luto na nagustuhan namin in a restaurant long time ago. So, yun. Pinapractice ko pa siya ngayon hanggang mahuli namin ulit yung kinain namin. Yeah. I think that's it. Nag-i-enjoy ako sa tawag nito, sa kitchen. Pero syempre, hindi ka makapag-enjoy ng mabuti kung nag-multitask ka. May mga bata, may trabaho ka pa na paparik-parik. Kaya talagang super, you really need to manage your time. But so far, so good. Nakakapagod lang siya. Pero, it's, ano ba yung term na yun? Fulfilling. Yeah, that's the term. How about you, Daddy?
I just need coffee.
Hindi pala nakalimutan niya na hindi siya naka-coffee for the day. Hindi ako naka-second coffee for the day. Kaya inaantok ako, dumot ako. Tapos sad yan siya kasi hindi na nga kami nakabalik sa jog. Hindi siya makabalik sa jog kasi injured ang daddy namin. Yung pinky toe niya. Parang tipalo. Parang ilonggo man yan.
Ilonggo man yun, eh.
Yun. So, hindi niya pa magamit. Nag-ano lang nga siya, slippers. Hindi niya pa kaya mag-shoes. So, it's okay, Daddy. So, okay. I think that's all. Mag-ano na ako. Mag-ano pa pala ako. I'm planning to post today sa Instagram. So, gawin ko muna. Okay? Malapit na kami. Guwapo, diba? Yeah. Dami naming nabili. Ay nako, parang nag-replenish kasi talaga kami ng mga gamit namin. Wait lang. Daddy needs to get something. Tapos yung daddy namin nagpa-haircut. Tapos tinago niya yung haircut. Yep. Gas.
Gas after the gas.
Ay, hindi tayo nag-park.
Makakabalong ka. Hindi ko siya yung gas. Ay, hindi ka papuli eh.
Kabalo pa, may gintago. We're home and we are shocked with the kids. Grabe yung kalat and yung mga mukha nila. Show your faces. What did you eat?
Ice cream. We eat ice cream.
So how's the movie?
Good.
Good? Do you like it? What happened?
The mother died, but I did not cry. They see star, 3 star for it talk to mother. Mother talked to them.
Nanood kasi sila
Mommy,
ng
Cherry
Land
good.
Before Time.
Mommy, Sally naked.
Wait lang. What happened na to your pungos and your faces? Come here kay mommy. Let's wipe your faces. Come here. So many. Another one. The baby, another baby. We went to Landers. Not yet pa. Come here, baby girl. Come here. Pepe. Very sleepy na. We just finished our quiet time namin ni Daddy Harvey. And I'm very thankful for him. Kasi ako lang talaga hindi ko nakakayanin. Ayaw ko na. Gusto ko na lang magpahinga, mag-sleep. But we know that even at this moment sa mga ganito, that's why it's very nice to have parang accountability with your partner talaga kasi you help each other. If someone is weak, yung isa yung mag-help kapag the other way around naman. Ganon. And right now, I'm really in pain with everything. Saka exhausted na, pagod na. But hindi ako nagsisi. We pushed through with our quiet time. Nakapag-pray kami, poured out everything in our hearts. And even may nabaon pang word. Kahit sobrang hindi ko na maintindihan yung binabasa ko sa Bible kanina. Pero yun nga, we shared, we're still able to share ni Daddy yung mga learnings namin. And it's worth it. Totoo yan. Kahit parang antok ako magsalita. Promise. Daddy is preparing na to go up. Kasi para daw matipid daw sa kuryente. Doon na muna siya mag-continue work sa amin sa taas. Sa room na. So, I think that's it. Rest well. That's very needed. Pahinga kayo. Need to bawi talaga if ever. Kasi it's not worth it kapag nagkakasakit ka. Or with this feeling, you cannot really give your best to your family. Dami kong gustong gawin right now. But I cannot do it. Oh. Kasi tantok na ako. Yun, I enjoyed this day kahit sobrang daming nangyari and very tiring siya, pero it's a full day. Totoo yan. And yun nga, enjoy kami with the kids. Yeah, they're good today. Talagang sila yung nagko-comfort sa amin ni Daddy nila. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this one and hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye!